Well, Andy did a nice video today on detox. Very interesting. I've been using for some while, and I've never really noticed that much difference in my pond. I use a drill basically to mix it all up. And just mix it up quite quickly, and then we throw it into the pond. No ifs or buts, it just goes straight into the pond out of the bucket. So I've not really noticed that much difference in my pond. The water does look a little bit cleaner at times after heavy rain, but have a look at Andy's video and you will have a good idea what it's like.